In this video, the Centre for Research of Odd Clocks, CROC, have once again invited cameras into their high-tech laboratory to witness some new test procedures. We will follow this replica, or more correctly fake, Rolex on its journey to become an officially certified CROC. The first test is the new dual-purpose water resistance and Arctic weather test. To test water resistance, the watch is first placed in the high-tech tray. The high-tech tray is then placed in a scientific freezer to replicate Arctic conditions and is left overnight. Ooh. The watch has apparently survived the Arctic test unscathed. To check the results, however, a closer inspection will be required. To do this properly, the watch will have to be carefully removed from the ice. At this point, we should remind you that CROC scientists are highly trained and utilise the latest safety equipment. Now, onto the careful removal of the watch from the ice. The watch seems to have come through the Arctic test relatively unscathed. Before moving on to the next testing process, Dr. Rick will dry the watch and reapply the decorative polish. As this is the first watch mounted on a bracelet that CROC has tested, the popular lateral compression test will be performed on the clasp first. The clasp has come through the test well, with only minor cosmetic damage. But now it's time to test the main body of the watch. The results of the lateral compression test on the body of the watch are disappointing. The replica sapphire crystal gave way relatively quickly, and the watch has not sprung back to its original shape. Also, the delicate and intricate inner workings have become loose. Before the watch can go through its final shock test, it must be reassembled. Dr. Rick will again use his expert clock-making skills to effect an almost invisible repair. It's now time for the final test, the shock resistance test. With the testing program complete, all that remains now is for the exciting moment of certification. Yes, indeed, this fake Rolex is officially a complete CROC.